today. I'm going to be opening a couple items today, but the first one I would like to open is this. Is the vending machine storage tin, and it has two special Shopkins inside, but I thought it was really cool looking, and that way I can store some Shopkins in there. So it says contents: 2 Shopkins, 1 storage tin, 1 collector's guide. Awesome. So let me go ahead and get this open. I thought it was really cute. Here we go. This is really cute. I wish it was a real little vending machine. I thought that was going to be even better. So here it is. Very nice. Ooh, look at the side. Nice. And this is the back. And as you can see, it's made out of tin. Really cute. Let me go ahead and open it up. And this is the inside of the cover. Look at that. We can store some Shopkins in there. How cool is that? Take this one out too. And I'll leave these inside. And here's the guide. Super cute. I'm not sure what season these are. This is Shopkins List Collector's Guide, but I don't know what season it is. But I only have 4. I don't have 3, 2, or 1. So I need all of those, that's for sure. But see how big it is? So what I'm gonna do is take this out right here. This one is called Cheesy Bee. Cheesy Bee. Really cute. It's a pink cheeseburger. Pretty cool. I'll go ahead and insert this back in again. So this is Cheesy Bee. And next is Alpha Soup. Look at that, guys. Cute. And I'm guessing it's like a can of soup maybe with a spoon on top. I'm not sure, like spilling some soup on top. But I wouldn't know why it would be purple. But anyway, that's just really cute. And I'm going to go ahead and open this other package. Is from the Food Fair collection, and it's the Cool and Creamy collection from the Food Fair. So it says right here in the back of the package that it comes with 8 exclusive Shopkins, 1 big softy dispenser, 1 tray, and 1 ice cream scoop. And it has all the names of the Shopkins that are included in this package. So let me go ahead and open this up. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I want to get started with this dispenser. Look at that. And it comes with this little cardboard front. So I'm going to take that out. So this is, I would guess this is the ice cream dispenser, and there's a little shelf right there. And look at that, it's a little door, and it's pink. You can see through it. This is the side of the dispenser. Pretty cool. Awesome. And this comes with this tray. But it won't fit in there, so It has a Shopkins, an S for Shopkins. That's the little tray. And this is the little ice cream scoop. Look at that, guys. Really, really cute. Little ice cream scoop. So this first Shopkin is called Servietta. And what it is a napkin dispenser. Look at that. Really cute. It's silver and pink. Really, really nice. I'm going to set that one right there. Next one up is called Frogurt. How cute is that? I love frozen yogurt. It is delicious. Really cute. I'm going to set that one right there. And this one is Scoopy 2. 2 scoops of ice cream. Strawberry, vanilla, and banana, maybe you like banana frosting on top, you think? Yum. I'm gonna go ahead and put her right there. And this one, look at that, it's called Fudgy. And I will guess it's strawberry fudge. Really cute silver strawberry. This little pump on top right there. Cute. Set her right there. Next one is Moo Shake. Yummy yum. Look at all that whipped cream and strawberry frosting topping on top that is dripping off with a little chocolate cookie. Yummy. Let's go ahead and set that one in there. Next one is Scoopy 1. Look at that. Vanilla ice cream with a strawberry cookie. Cute. Set it right there. Awesome. And this one, how cute is that? It's called Coney. It looks so yummy. How cute. Set it right there. Wow, you can store quite a bit of Shopkins in this little tin. This is the case that we have here. And last one is called Popsicle. Super cute, guys. How cute is that? So easily we can probably store 12 Shopkins in this tin case. And look at this. I love this little set. It's so cute. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and please give me thumbs up if you like this video. Join me for another Shopkins video. See you soon. Bye.